Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of Golden Rule Tips and Tricks, where we're all about making your home the coziest place on the block. I'm Jordan Rosner, your friendly neighborhood HVAC expert from Golden Rule, and today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home, literally. Ever wonder why your house feels colder than an ice cream truck in December, even when the heater is on full blast? Grab a seat and cozy up, because we're about to uncover the chilly truth behind negative air pressure. So what exactly is negative air pressure, you ask? Think of it like this. Your home is like a balloon, and the air inside is trying to escape through every nook and cranny. When the pressure inside is lower than outside, it's like leaving the front door wide open for Jack Frost to waltz right in. Not exactly the cozy scenario we're going for, right? But fear not, dear homeowner. We're here to help you seal up those drafty spots faster than you can say Golden Rule to the rescue. From leaky windows and doors to sneaky gaps in your ductwork, we'll tackle those trouble spots head on and turn your home into a fortress of warmth. Now you might be wondering, should your home be team positive or team negative when it comes to air pressure? Well, here's the scoop. Slightly positive air pressure keeps those chilly drafts at bay, ensures your home stays warmer, and keeps the air inside fresh as a daisy. It's like giving your home a warm hug on a chilly day. Sounds cozy, doesn't it? But here's the twist. Your trusty HVAC system can unwittingly contribute to negative air pressure if it's not in tip-top shape. Leaky ducts, improper sizing, and ventilation woes can all throw your home's air pressure off balance faster than you can say, Golden Rule to the rescue. But fear not, because we're here to whip that HVAC system into shape and get your home feeling cozy in no time. And let's not forget about your AC system. Negative pressure can really dampen your cooling game, leaving you with reduced airflow, uneven cooling, and a home that feels more like a freezer aisle than a cozy retreat. Not exactly the summer vibe we're going for, right? But don't worry, we've got the know-how and expertise to get your AC system back on track and keep your home feeling cool and comfortable all summer long. Well guys, that's a wrap on today's episode of Golden Rule Tips and Tricks. Remember, when it comes to keeping your home cozy and comfortable, Golden Rule is here to help every step of the way. So if you're tired of shivering through those chilly nights or sweating it out during the summer heat, call us today and let's turn your home into the cozy sanctuary you deserve. Until next time, stay warm, stay cool, and remember, when you choose Golden Rule, comfort is just a call away.